Hi everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this planter made out of a cutoff from a piece of burl. You usually get these at your lumber yard and they're sold by the pound. I'm going to show you how to make this planter in 5 easy steps. Step 1, sand. Step 2, drill. Step 3, apply finish. Step 4, epoxy any problematic areas. Step 4A, cry because you got epoxy on your favorite shirt. I suggest you skip that step. Step 5, plant. So if you're looking to plant a succulent like this, add some rocks to the bottom to allow for water drainage. Your succulent there. Boom. She's planted. I hope you enjoyed that video. The beauty of these plants is how little water they need. That's why it works with putting them in the wood. Let me know in the comments below what type of plant's your favorite. Air plant, succulent, cactus, or name one of yours. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.